Hello language learners. Today we're diving into a word which is powerful. Never. The word never is used in cases that something doesn't happen, like finding a mermaid. In this video, we'll explore how to use this word in your sentences and where it belongs. 0% never. The word never shows that something does not happen at any time or any occasion. It is usually placed before the main verb. For example, I never skip breakfast. It shows that you always eat breakfast. He never arrives late for appointments. It shows that he always arrives on time in the appointments. And that's all on the word never. Now you know how to use this word in your sentences. Like, I never skip breakfast, or he never arrives late, okay? Remember, the word never comes before the main verb. Try to practice this word in your conversations, and thank you so much for joining us in this video, and happy learning.